In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a circle in AutoCAD step by step in a quick and easy way. If you're just getting started with AutoCAD, this is one of the most basic and important tools to learn because circles are used in so many different drawings, from mechanical parts to architectural details and simple sketches. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find the circle tool, how to place the center point, and how to finish the circle using the radius. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and beginner-friendly tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your drawing in AutoCAD. You can either start a new file or open an existing project where you want to add the circle. Once your drawing is open, look at the top ribbon and go to the Home tab. From there, find the circle tool and click it. This tells AutoCAD that you want to begin creating a circle. Now your cursor is ready, and the next step is to choose the center point of the circle. Click anywhere in the drawing area where you want the middle of the circle to be placed. This point will become the exact center, so make sure it's positioned correctly based on your design. After that, move your cursor away from the center point. As you move it, you'll see the circle start to preview on the screen. This is where you define the size of the circle. Click again to set the radius. The distance between the center point and the second click determines how large the circle will be. If needed, you can also type in a precise radius value for more accuracy, but for this basic method, clicking is enough. Once you've set the radius, the circle will appear in your drawing. To finish the command, simply press Enter. That confirms the circle and exits the tool, and that's it. You've successfully drawn a circle in AutoCAD. It's a simple process, but once you know it, you'll use it all the time in your projects. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.